What's up guys? Okay, so today we're working on the Ducati stuff. Okay, so as you can see, this looks shit. The paint is starting to get off, so I'm gonna take it off, respray it. I've got spray there. Okay, other thing we're gonna do is the foot pegs, both of them gonna get resprayed today, and then while I wait for everything to get dry, because I have to put thinners on all that cuck, I'm gonna clean the chain. So I'm going to start by removing the fuel cap and then cleaning all the paint off, so as well as removing the foot pegs and cleaning them and getting them ready for paint as well. Three layers of paint for both the fuel cap and the foot pegs. Okay, so this is at 3 layers and this is on its first, so still have to do that 2 more times and then flip it and do that again 2 more times, and then hopefully that doesn't leak through, because the idea is that they stay silver and not get gold. So hopefully I covered it up well enough. But while we wait, we're gonna clean this chain, because look at this thing. Just look at this thing. It's filthy and disgusting. It's like a layer of shit even on the sprockets. Look, that's gack. So we're gonna clean it nice and nice, and then put new lube on it. Okay, so to clean we need chain cleaning spray, and I'm gonna use a toothbrush because I don't have that Olika brush thing people pay for. I'm not rich enough. I'm just gonna use a toothbrush. Okay. Just look how dirty the floor was. It looks like I broke something. Okay, so now that everything is basically done, this floor is very slippery because I had to wash it. It was quite dirty. But this thing is clean now. I've got to re-lube it, but before I do that, I just want to wash the entire bike. But before I do that, I have to put the fuel tank cap back on, and I'm going to put the rear sets back as well. So that's what we're going to do now. They're already painted. We're just going to fit them and check how it looks. Let's go unwrap the foot pegs, and hopefully they aren't all gold and still have a bit of silver left in them. Let's just fix this shit. Okay. Make sure it's dry. Oh, we're not finished it, still have to spray there. Let me check if this one has any imperfections. Spray it there. Okay. Okay, so they're not done yet. Try number 2. Okay. Why can't I see the shit I'm doing? Here we go. Ja, kijk. Some spray painting in the garden. Hey, looks good, eh? Let's go fit them. Check that shit. She's finished. This is on, that is on, the chain is looped, everything is sharp. So the next thing we've got to do is take these off the rims and spray them, but that's a job for another day. I don't have the patience or the will to do that now. Okay, so it's the next day. I just wanted to see if the stuff still looks good. Perfect, perfect, and perfect. Okay, well, let's check you in the next one. Cheers, eh?
The way she moves, body got me mystified. The things I wanna do, I can't even justify. Just wanna see you move, baby, look me in the eyes. God, they pretty too, you ain't got nothing to hide, yeah. Watch out for the pretty ones. They move fast like they living in the city ones. Too much sass, but they